You are filming the incorrect way. Oh gosh, that's funny. Heading over to the house near the Parkway. The tear out of everything has been done and our dump trailer is loaded down. So we're gonna go dump that and then pick up all the materials. All the carpet's been picked up here, as you can see. No more cabinets in the kitchen. Those have been torn out. Carpet's been picked up in here. Yesterday this was a bathroom. Today this is just the shell of a bathroom. So everything's gone.
This definitely needs to get cut out. This floor is subfloor under here, so this would be good for the LVP that's going in. I cannot understand these brick walls. Like, it seems like it was a garage at some point, but it doesn't make sense to have this amazing fireplace, so we'll figure it out.
Let us know in the comments if you think this was once a garage. I don't, because there's a massive fireplace, but why in the world would there be bricks on this side? All that stuff that was ripped out fit into a 7x10 dump trailer. This thing
Fit? Doesn't look like it fit.
it fit, okay? It's gonna require some ratchet straps.
I think I got it now, because this brick is definitely not the same as this brick. The mortar's different, pointing is different. This is definitely different. I think this was installed some other time. Saying that this right here is just gonna fly right out.
Nah, it's
You don't
fine.
think so?
Yeah,
Oh, that's
it's
what
fine.
we just leave it this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
We got it loaded down. 4 ratchet straps later. This door and this tub is doing wonders as far as keeping everything down. This is an entire house's worth of demolition. These didn't exactly say strap down. The casement opening is now there. So we've dropped off the materials. We hauled away the trash. I'm gonna cut this video at this point. Thank y'all for watching. As always, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And we're going to look at some more properties. So we'll have some more projects to show you soon.